Welcome back to campus. In light of what's been going on, we've put in place some new safety procedures around return to campus being safe for staff and students. As you can see, we have some new signage and floor markings. This is going to be our entry from this point on. And you see we have a black tick on a yellow dot. Now that is going to be where you're going to be working at an allocated workstation. So when you first enter the workshop, we ask that you sanitise your hands and wait on the yellow dot. You can see we have some other signage here as well. This is important as it indicates the room capacity. So that's 16 students and 3 staff. We'll ask you to wait on the dot. One of the staff will come and see you, either take you to an allocated workstation or lend you a tool depending on what your needs are. When you enter the workshop, we ask that you come over here to the door and swipe your card on our reader. Now it doesn't matter if you're declined, but this is a great way for us to track who's been using the workshop at any time. You'll see one of our ticks indicating our allocated workstations. Now what we ask you to do when you start using it is to clean the surface, and we will be providing some material for doing that. And then when you've finished, clean the surface again. You'll see here we have tool return tubs. So whether you're using a tool, whether you've borrowed it or used it here, we're asking that you don't share tools, but that you place them in the tool return tub when you've finished using it, and the staff members will deal with the hygiene cleaning. Now we come down here. The machines will be running pretty much as normal, except we'll be very strict about the physical distancing. So strict about the rules of 1 person per machine, and there will be occasions where we might have to isolate a machine just so we can maintain the distancing. Now the last thing we see here is our exit. So we're just asking you to exit out of this door just so we can control the flow through the workshop. And lastly, just remember that adhering to the hygiene and distancing rules is everybody's responsibility. Take care.